When people call me or email me about questions of the Singer heavy duty sewing machines, a lot of times people are frustrated because the machine is not working well. Let's talk about quality thread in a sewing machine. So first off, if you have grandma's old sewing box that she has bequeathed to you, that is not necessarily a great gift. That's 30, 40, 50-year-old thread going through a brand new sewing machine. So that's not the greatest quality. Back in the day, we have come so far. So also too, if you are paying very inexpensive dollars for a spool of thread, that's an indication that it's not necessarily a quality thread. So I do encourage you to visit, say, a local sewing machine store. Guaranteed they will sell you and help you pick out a quality thread that will work in this machine. I usually have the same thread wound in my bobbin that I have going through the machine. That way I don't even have to adjust my tension. It's just going to stay at 4. So if you are having any sewing troubles, make sure it's not tension that you're trying to change, because that's usually not the problem either. But I have had so many times where I've just said, hey, try a quality thread, try a different thread, and tell me if you're getting the same results. So cheaper thread, the thread is just not very long in how the little fibers are wound together, but the more you pay for thread, the longer those fibers are, and the thread is more consistent and smooth. You can even just look at a spool of thread and hold the thread up to the light, and if you see lots of bumps, ridges, small areas, and thick areas, that's not great thread. The machine is trying to accommodate that thread through the tension area, through the sewing bobbin area, and when it's not consistent, it's going to not always perform ideal. So keep that in mind. You know, thread is 50% of your seam. This is not the place to be skimping. Your time is valuable. You've spent money on your fabric that you've chosen. Let's make sure that you spend good money on the thread, and this machine will treat you right.